Okay, so you'll be here in 10 minutes? Great. See you then. She's here. Hi. I haven't seen you in such a long time.
I know, I missed you.
I'm so glad that you're here.
Believe me, me too.
So, how's life?
Well, my boyfriend just broke up with me.
Really? I'm so sorry. If there's anything I can do, just tell me, all right?
Well, actually, there is.
Oh!
Ow. You're gonna be sorry you took my boyfriend, bitch.
Hi, ma'am. We're selling Girl Scout cookies. Would you like to buy some? It's for a good cause.
Help! Help me, please help me! She's got me tied up!
Is everything all right in there?
Please help me!
Are you all right?
Untie me, please. What the hell are you doing? Now you're really good, bitches!
No, stop, stop.
Why are you doing this? You're the reason my boyfriend left me. Why would I take your boyfriend? You're the only friend I had. Besides, I didn't even have a boyfriend. But Jennifer said nothing.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
That wasn't as good as the cartoon.